Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video, I'm going to walk you through all the steps to recover your deleted photos or videos in iPhone or iPad. But first, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So now let's begin the process. First of all, open the Photos app. All the photos and videos that you have taken on your phone or iPad will be shown here. So to recover the deleted video or photo, you have to tap on the albums option, which is on the bottom of the screen. So tap on albums and scroll down on this page. And you can see all the details, how many videos you have, how many selfies, live photos, portraits, everything in this page. And to recover the deleted photos and videos, tap on the recently deleted option, which is on the bottom of the screen. Tap on recently deleted and you'll be shown all the photos and videos that you deleted. All the deleted photos and videos will be stored here for up to 40 days. After that, all the videos and photos will be removed, so you can't recover them after 40 days of deletion. So to recover the photos and videos, tap on select, which is on the top right of the screen, and choose all the photos and videos you want to recover. And after doing that, tap on recover, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And it's asking if you want to recover these 7 photos. So tap on recover 7 photos to recover it. This is all the things that you have to do to recover deleted photos on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.